Have you ever taken a photo that turned out blurry, pixelated, or just lacked the clarity you were hoping for? If so, this video is for you. Today, we're exploring 4DD AI Photo Enhancer, an AI-powered tool designed to turn low-quality images into stunning high-resolution masterpieces. With just a few clicks, this software can upscale images to 4K, sharpen details, reduce noise, enhance colors, and even restore old black and white photos with realistic color. In this review, we'll walk you through the key features, test its performance with real examples, and see if it lives up to the hype. Stick around to see if 4DD AI Photo Enhancer is the right solution for bringing your images back to life. Let's get started. You'll find the download link for 4DD AI Photo Enhancer in the video description below. After installing and launching the software on your PC, you'll be greeted by a sleek, user-friendly interface that's packed with powerful tools to repair and enhance your media. Under the 4DD File Repair section, you'll find 4 dedicated tools: Video Repair, fix corrupted or damaged video files, recover lost data, and improve playback quality. Photo Repair, restore damaged or blurry images, correct color distortion, and bring your old photos back to life. File Repair, repair corrupted documents across various formats and make them accessible again. Audio Repair, clean up distorted audio files, reduce noise, and improve sound clarity. Now, switching to the AI Enhancer section, you'll find 4 intelligent tools: Video Enhancer, improve video resolution, sharpen details, and reduce noise for a more professional look. Photo Enhancer, upscale and sharpen images, improve clarity, and enhance colors. Video Colorizer, add realistic color to old black and white or faded video footage. Photo Colorizer, breathe life into black and white or sepia-tone photos with vivid, AI-generated colors. Now let's focus on the Photo Enhancer, the star of this video. Click Add Photos and select the images you'd like to improve. You'll then choose one of 3 AI models: General Model, best for landscapes, architecture, animals, and general photos. It enhances clarity, sharpness, color balance, and overall quality. Face Model, designed for portraits and group photos. It sharpens facial features, smooths skin tones, and enhances fine details. Denoise Model, ideal for noisy or low-light images. It removes grain and color artifacts while preserving important details. You can also choose to upscale images by 2x or 4x, and under AI Enhance, select either Soften for a smoother natural look or Sharpen for extra crispness. Once your settings are ready, hit the Enhance button and let the AI do its magic. The software will now process the image, restoring lost details and significantly enhancing overall quality. As you can see, the enhancement is complete, and the results are truly impressive. Comparing the before and after images, the difference is clear. The photo is noticeably sharper, clearer, and more vibrant. The AI has done an outstanding job reducing blurriness, refining facial features, and boosting the resolution. That was the face model in action, delivering remarkable improvements specifically tailored for portrait images. Now let's try a different example. This time, I'll select a natural scenery photo and apply the denoise model. This model is specifically designed to reduce noise and grain, making it ideal for low light or older images. It helps restore clarity while maintaining the integrity of the original photo. As you can see, the enhancement is complete. The denoise model has done an excellent job removing unwanted noise and graininess while preserving the natural details of the scene, resulting in a much cleaner and more refined image. Now let's select another image and apply the general model. This model is designed to enhance overall image quality by boosting clarity, sharpness, and fine details, making it suitable for a wide range of photo types. I'll go ahead and process the image to see how well it performs. The results are in, and they're impressive. The general model has significantly improved the image's clarity and sharpness. Details appear more defined, and the colors are noticeably more vibrant, giving the photo a fresh, polished look. As you can see, 4D AI Photo Enhancer is a powerful solution for transforming blurry, low-resolution images into sharp, high-quality visuals. Whether you're fixing an old family photo, enhancing travel shots, or improving content for social media, this tool delivers excellent results. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. Give it a try. You'll be amazed at how easily you can bring your photos back to life. Scan this QR code to connect with Novela Film Academy, learn video editing, graphic design work at professional editing services. And that's it. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to Novela Film Academy for more such videos.